Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to Nettie's Amazing House. I'm blessed, you're blessed. Today I'll be making some panko fried shrimp, crispy fried shrimp. I'm just peeling off the shell and just leaving just this little piece where you can hold. Just leaving this right here. It's already deveined. I should butterfly it. Let me finish cleaning it up and we'll be back. So guys, now I'll butterfly my shrimp. Just slit the middle, spread it apart like that. It seems to be another vein. This vein right here. See this vein? So here's my panko breadcrumbs, a little flour, 2 eggs, a little water to beat the egg. Only 3 seasoning to my flour, which is my all-purpose, a little Vegeta, and some cayenne. It to be a little bit spicy. So I had a lot of cayenne pepper. So a tip of salt. Not too much salt because I already washed my shrimp with salt water. Salt water. So first I'll dip my my shrimp in my flour. Then my my egg wash. Now my panko crumbs. Back to my board. So guys, I forgot to put my thermometer in, and you want your oil to be at 350 degrees. So this is how I'm going to test my oil. See it start to bubble right around my chopstick. My oil is ready. That's how you know when your oil is ready. So if you don't have a thermometer at home, this is the best way for testing your oil. You don't want to put it in a cold oil because it will become soggy. Time to start dropping in these bad boys. And you don't want to overcrowd your pot. I think it can take one more, right? Yep, one more right there. It's delighting to watch. mixture of sweet chili. Almost finished. And my spirachi. Time for the taste test. Hear that crispiness? My gosh, guys, this is so delicious. Should I eat this off and don't give them any? This is one you don't want to share. Oh, pepper sweet. That sweet chili sauce with that spirachi pepper. Crispiness from the shrimp. So delicious. So from my amazing house to yours, one love. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, share. Show your girl some love. Share, share, share. And if you like my video, remember to leave a comment. I want to hear from you. Until next time, one love.